Hey there, so this is scale number 2. This is the underside of a brand new scale that I got. This one is a little bit different. It has 4 load cells, one at each corner, and they're little 3-wire load cells, and they connect to this control board. I'll zoom in on. I'm going to disconnect them from that control board and attach them instead to this HX711 board and this combinator board that I got from SparkFun Electronics that makes it easier to connect 4 load cells to one HX711. So that'll be my next thing.
Here I'm attaching the HX711 board and the combinator board, which will then have the string gauges attached to. Now I'm attaching all those little string gauge wires to the combinator board. This took a while. It was kind of hard. The wires are very small. This is the cable that will connect between the Arduino or other device and the HX711. Just cleaning up some of the wires with a little hot glue. So I made this little LabView program here to help me test out the scale now that it's all soldered together. So this is actually reading a temperature sensor and also the HX711 output. So you can, I wanted to see if the scale values would change with temperature. And it seems like they're pretty stable. So the way this thing works is it's just communicating over a USB serial port to the Arduino board. You can select the port here. So this isn't the best LabView code ever, but here's how it works. Basically, I'm initializing the serial port over there, giving it a little bit of a delay to initialize. And then I just have, I actually configure the Arduino with the number of temperature channels to read. And then moving over, this is just the main loop. So I'm basically writing a character out that tells it to take a weight sample from the HX711. And then I read the result. And from there, I just basically kind of process the string that comes back over the serial port and convert it into something that can be displayed on a graph or chart. And I can separately read or send a command to sample the temperature, and then I read the result of that back, and then similarly, I display it on the chart. That's pretty much it.